Okay, last one for me. Wisconsin couple described the chilling moment that a hacker cranked up their heat and started talking to them through a Google Nest camera in their kitchen. It's not funny. It's like the future of horror movies. It is like hacking smart home automation. The garage doors going up and down. The heat is blasting.
The robot's talking.
Get out of my house!
Yeah.
That's the trailer. You didn't expect that, Will. I got your eardrums with that one.
Very loud.
Okay, Google or Nest, Google owns Nest. Nest still has their offices and their people. They say, look, the thing wasn't compromised. These people, their Wi-Fi got compromised. Like their Wi-Fi password was easy to guess, or I don't know what Google's official statement is that Nest was not breached. It encouraged users to use two-factor verification to secure their account. So they say their account got hacked because of a password thing. Apparently, the individual cranked the thermostat. The hacker cranked the thermostat up to 90 degrees. And for the person who was hacked, this is their quote. "It gives me chills just talking about it. It gives me chills," which is kind of weird because it's obviously it's hot when they crank it to 90 degrees. So what are the chills about there? He also, the hacker, I'm assuming it's a he also talked to them through the Nest camera and played vulgar music. I don't even know what vulgar music is. Is that hip hop?
Maybe.
What? Or is there an actual genre of vulgar music? And it's
vulgar meaning.
Will, stay away from it.
I was thinking
this
like
a family show.
Really loud, obnoxious.
So just maybe metal or something like that.
Yeah, heavy metal.
That's right up Kirk's alley right there. If that's what vulgar music that's what vulgar music is, then Kirk is the #1 fan of vulgar music. Westmoreland told Fox, "My heart was racing. I felt so violated at that point." I don't know. Do they want to sue Google or something? Maybe they got the interview on Fox. The chilling moment that a hacker cranked up their heat. It doesn't sound that bad. It sounds kind of...
Yeah, I mean, they could just walk out of the house.
No.
So they're trapped there.
Yes.
They're naked because they're hot, and they're trying to sleep, but they're playing vulgar music.
Did he turn up the heat again, honey? It's going to mess up the rest of their lives. What, they're never going to trust any of the devices in their house? Do you have to move at that? Just change your password. No? I don't know. I'll tell you what, I'm much more concerned with all the things listening to you and showcasing ads and who's listening to what than somebody guessing your password and turning the heat up.
Yeah.
Right? Isn't there... I don't know. What can I say?
Well, maybe this could be the potential of something worse. You know, with like these smart devices.
Like they overhear a conversation and then blackmail and...
Or maybe they just turn on the smart stove or something and then catches on fire. Could be worse.
Is that a thing? We got smart stoves now as well?
Yeah.
Right.
Or, make...
they could turn on the smart toilet and the smart faucet. And
flush it a couple times so they can't sleep because it's so noisy.
They could open the smart valve. They could open the smart valve on the main water supply to flood the place.
Yeah.
Right? Imagine I got the smart shut-off valve and turn-on valve for the main water supply. Why do you need that? Because it's smart, you understand? No, it's not funny. They're actually upset. I can see why it would be violating. If you got kids in the house and someone's whispering through your hub, through your Nest.
Yeah. You feel violated, for sure.
I'm going to crank the heat.
It's like, oh no, what am I going to do? I'm stuck. It's so hot in here.
You're going to cook in here.
Oh.
Get ready to cook. I can smell you roasting.
Just basting, basting myself.
How hot can a house even get? Not that hot. Anyhow, there you have it.
Can the furnace blow up? Can it like be so hot it can?
I'm sure it could cause a problem eventually if you're running it forever. But these people, you got to change the password right away, or rip the Nest off the wall. I don't know. Well, yeah. I don't. I override it, reconfigure, reset it.
Yeah,
set up a new account.
They can just unplug the router.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. No, don't unplug the router. That'd be too easy. That wouldn't be a horror movie. Let's just unplug the router. No. They need the garage doors going up and down, the lights going on and off. They got to get cooked first.
Naked people running around.
Oh man, technology is it's right around the corner. It's going to start to supply us with all the urban legends and everything that you're not going to need a Mr. Spooky guy anymore. You just the AI, everything is HAL, everything's 2001 in your own house.
Yeah.
Although in this case it was a hacker. It wasn't the thing going haywire. It was a guy having some fun, a hacker having some fun. Don't do that. That's not nice.
No.
The future is now. We're living in it. Tomorrow, technically.
Mm-hmm. Optimistic, though.
You are.
Yeah.
It's going to be all right.
Yeah.
Even if the heat gets cranked up.
Well, I guess I got to wear my shorts then.
Sounds like a plan. Jeans.